Hey guys, Chris McPhail here again from Impact Off-Road Group. Today I thought I'd show you a truck that we traded and we've just kitted it out for a new customer. So this one came in and we've changed it over and put a whole heap of new gear back onto it. We've updated it, put our new front rubber flares on it. We've also changed it over to our steel rear guards. We've set up our latest Diode American floodlight on the top, and we've also set it up, we've just redeveloped our stock crate so it's slightly higher and it fills out the trail a little bit more, and I'll show you a bit more about that one in a minute. With this being our latest design of stock crate, I thought I'd show you how it operates. It's ever so slightly to our old model, so it's a little bit taller and it's a little bit bigger as well, so it fits within the tray a little bit tighter. Obviously the main reason for using these is for picking up the calves in calving season, so you can drop the tailgate down. We've just got a simple pin on the side here. Slide the gate open, that gives you full access into the back. We also set them up as a 4-piece unit, so you can remove the rear tray completely and turn it into 3 sides, whether that's for picking up calves or lambs or even just doing a bit of firewood. The other part of that is you can obviously drop it down and kit set it into 4 pieces and flat pack it. So if you want to store it away and put it away, it's far easier to do. The one other thing we do, make it a nice simple system, is on the side here we put 6 tie downs. So they're just like basically a bungee cord which ties onto the back of your tray. Just stops it from sliding around, and obviously it's easier to take them off if you want to remove it. If you want to know any more about them, give us a holler and we'll let you know.